I'm hoping this is recording. That last pen case stand I got did not work. The pens fell out, so don't buy one if you go on there. I got this one, and it spins around. And when I got it, I found the other gel pens I had misplaced. So I got that. And then from Temu, I did really good this time. I only bought one thing for crafting this time. I got some stickers. Let me just pull one up here. They are chains. And I got silver, gold, black, and I believe this one's white. So I got 4 of those for a decent price. And then my craft kit came today, and I want to open it and see what I got this month. Guaranteed it's Christmas. I see an Echo Park chipboard. Okay, what is this month's kit? All Wrapped Up collection kit by Simple Stories. I got 34 ephemera pieces by Cartabella, Christmas Flora. What is this? Don't know what that was about. Chipboard. Happy Holidays by Echo Park. Those are cute. And Oh Joyful Day by Rosie's. Oh, they're poofy. I like those. All right, let's check out the kit. All Wrapped Up, it says it's 139 pieces altogether with the stickers. Oh, I like it, the sticker sheet already. There's an older fashioned Santa on here. And I like the looks of the paper. Oh, cute. I like that wreath on there. Poinsettias. Or a printed sheet. I like that. A bunch of Christmas trees. Different colors. This is very cute. Christmas lights on string. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna love using this kit. I like that. And music notes on the other side. This is gonna be very easy to use. I'll probably use it up between my December daily and scrapbooking. I like this kit. I haven't seen one sheet I don't like. Usually there's one that I don't care for too much, but this is completely cute. Automobiles with Christmas trees. Green with stripes. Oh, cut-aparts. Tags. I like it that they leave one side blank so you can use them. And don't have to choose between that and the other side being nice. A journaling page. Not sure what that is, but okay. Okay, cut aparts. And holly. Oh, cute cut aparts. It's gonna be, I'm gonna love this page or kit too. Love those. And tan with white polka dots. And more cut aparts. And colored dots. And let's see what the... Oh, that felt thick, like it was two of them. They have the days of the month in circles, so you can do your December daily with that. I like that. This is a very useful kit that I can get behind using. This is going to be fun to use. All right, I will let you go for now. Have a Merry Christmas, by the way, because I probably won't have another video out before next week when it's Christmas. And have a great day or night wherever you're at. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.